guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you my favorite green products today. My favorite green beauty makeup products, and I'm really excited. This is the rainbow series that I'm doing with my best friend Jen. Her channel is Glam Moms, and I will link her channel down below. She does that channel with her sister, which is really fun, and she's also going to be showing her favorite beauty makeup products that are in the rainbow color of green. Let's go ahead and get started because I was like, I'm not going to find any green things. Well, you guys know me. I found a crap ton. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with two ColourPop eyeshadows. These are the Super Shock eyeshadows. This is in Hammered, and this is like an olive green, gorgeous glittery color. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm going to have so many swatches. One swatch, super buttery. These are like creams, but I don't even know how to describe these, but everyone went goo goo gaga over ColourPop, and there's a reason why. The eyeshadows are $5 a piece. They're amazing quality. This is just so nice. It glides right onto the eyelid. It does have, you know, glittery flecks of all different colors in there, but that oliveness is beautiful. So I love Hammered. That is a gorgeous color. Something that's a little bit different and really fun. This is Chipper, and this is green. Like, this is hardcore, super bright, not for the faint of heart. Really fun. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's like a minty green. It does, again, these are glittery, so you can't feel the glitter. It's not like chunky, itchy glitter. It's just like finely milled glitter that's like obvious and apparent and fun, but I don't know, it's kind of like I can see like some pink and some blue and some purple in there, but that minty green base is so much fun, guys. I love this one. I'll use it on like St. Patrick's Day. I also have like shoes this color, and I have a few like of those gauzy, like flowy, chiffon-y kind of tops like that are this color. I love this color, and I'll put this on my lower lash line. I'll put it all over my lid. I'm obviously not shy, but I really love these, and you can see how different they are, but it's just so fun. So green you can really have a lot of fun with. Now, I do have another one. You guys know I always include My Beauty Addiction, and it's because I really do have a lot of products from them, but I actually really like their products. So My Beauty Addiction, I do have a coupon code down below for 15% off, and it's just Adriana 15. This is like a mossy, foresty green in the color Islander. And let me just, oh my God, look at this. This is like gorgeous, and it does have a sheen to it. So you would think, looking at it, you'd think like, oh, kind of camo, army, camouflage green, but it just has like a sheen, a little bit of a shimmer shift to it. Gorgeous. And their shadows blend beautifully. Really nice. Now I have guys, I have a lot of green products. I'm kind of going through these quickly because I have a lot. And so these aren't just like, oh, these are my green eyeshadows. I have a lot of green eyeshadows, and I did not pick a lot of them, especially in like palettes and things like that. When I'm looking for a green eye look, this is what I grab. If I'm looking for something minty, this is the color. If I'm looking for something like olivey and glittery, that's the color. Something more of that like foresty green, that's the color. This is from Jane, which used to be sold at Ulta, and this is in the color Olive Branch. So this is what, I guess I should open it and let you guys see. And it's a single, and this is what it looks like. Really nice. So you can see this is, again, olive, yet it has more of a gold undertone to it. Really pretty. I mean, I'm not gonna show you my fingers anymore because I have like 3 colors on each finger, but gorgeous. So that's another olive green kind of eyeshadow that I adore, and I use this a lot. And some of the products that I'm like, oh, I use these all the time, they may not be in my makeup baskets, but my makeup baskets are so I rotate through my makeup. It's to make sure that I'm using stuff, I'm pulling out expired items or items that I used to love and I don't anymore, and I can pass them on to my girlfriends or my family, or I can rediscover products that I love and I forgot about. But if I have no greens in my makeup basket and I'm like, I'm gonna wear green today, or oh, I want a green eyeshadow, I just grab it, guys. I don't limit myself. Life is too short. It's just makeup. Now the next thing, complete opposite end, it's from Revlon. I actually got this at Target for $4.24 on clearance. And this is the Photo Ready Eye Art, and it's the lid line lash. So it has this base. I'm trying to see the color. Sparkle, I guess. It just says sparkle. Whatever. Okay, so this end has a sponge tip applicator. And oh my gosh, where am I going to put it? I'm just going to put it across the bottom. And you just paint it on your eyelid. So it's right there, and it's just like this gorgeous metallic mossy olivey green color, and I put that all over my eyelid. It does need time to dry, so do not open your eyes. You just want to like leave your eyes closed, let them dry a little bit, otherwise it'll transfer if your eyelids are a little bit hooded. And then the other end is a gold sparkle. So I know we already did yellows and golds, but you can use this as like a liner. You can use this as a top coat, kind of like all over the shadow. And look how gorgeous. This, in my opinion, I think it was Jessica Braun here on YouTube, Jam Beauty 89 was her channel, that first talked about these maybe and really liked it. And then there was Myra Touch of Glam who really liked it. So I decided to grab it when it was on clearance, and look how gorgeous. And it's drugstore. It's drugstore. And I think other than Jane, which might be accessible at certain drugstores, this is so far like the first one I've mentioned that you can pick up in store and not online. So love that. Okay, next. So that's it for eyeshadows. Yeah, no big deal, right guys? Just a few. I know, I'm totally dramatic. I have so much stuff. Okay, now I only have one liner here, and this is from NYX. This is in the color Golden Olive, and look how gross my hand looks. I tried to take this off. Look, this glides on so easily. It's so creamy. I will use this, my lower lash line. I will use it as an upper line. I'll also use it just all over my lid as a base. This is just, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is when I start getting like really intense about my makeup here. Beautiful. Now I do have one lip product that is green, guys. And it's from My Beauty Addiction. You guys know, I've said it in this video and others, they have such a wide variety of colors for eyeshadows, lip products, everything, that it makes it really fun to do lip art or Halloween or costume, or just to be really creative. And that's one of the things I really love about them. So this is in the color Poison, and it's a Sugar Baby's lip glaze. And I love it. Now, like last summer, I used this in a lip art look on Instagram. It is just so different. And so this is Poison right there. These Sugar Babies lip glazes have such high shine. I mean, it is lip glaze on crack, basically. Look how gorgeous that is. Really pigmented, opaque. They glide on beautifully. Really, really fun. So you might want to rock this to a barbecue. I'm not going to stop you. But again, not for the faint of heart. But when you're going to say, what's your favorite green lip product? It isn't just that this is the only one I have. It's look how fun this is. And I do have a few other, I feel like I must have like green lipstick samples and stuff from them. But this is the one that came to mind. It is just so fun. So fun. I love it. So last but not least, I have 3 nail polishes. My nails are painted. I should have done swatches, but I'm just going to show these for you. These are all pretty much, these 2 are priced the same more or less. This is from Julie G, which you can get at Rite Aid or jessiesgirl.com, and this is in the color Holla, like Jalapeno. And look how nice this color is. This is just a beautiful like mid-tone green. Really, really nice. I really like the formulation of these. They're not too wet. Sometimes I can get away with just 1 coat. Really, really nice. Oh, I love this color. Maybe I'll do this next on my nails. It's so fun. I really like doing like greens and blues and orange and pink and every other color in the summer, but we're getting into that season where I kind of embrace a lot of the brighter colors. And this is one of them. It's just, it's bright and different, but still kind of like soft. It's not too like vulgarly out there. I know, I make up my own words. Now this is from Essie. Talk about out there. This is in the color The More the Merrier, and this reminds me of like How the Grinch Stole Christmas, even though I know he's not this bright, but this is like like radioactive yellowish green, greenish yellow. And I love this. This is not going to be for everybody, just like, you know, the lip product, but I like Essie. Some of their nail polishes aren't my favorite. Some of them are a little streaky. This one is a little waterier, so I do need like 2 coats. Sometimes I'll put through 3 just to make it like really opaque and kind of looking like a gel nail polish, but I really like this color. It's just so different. And again, not everyone's gonna love it, but I do. And then the last one I have is something that I think a lot of people like. You know, it's just like this really like light, delicate, minty color, and this is in the color Neely from Zoya, and this is just like a very light, minty green. And against my blue nail polish, I'm like, is this like a mint blue? But when I had it against like green nail polish, and when I was just looking at it when my nails weren't painted, it looked green. But this is a gorgeous color, and you guys know I love me some Zoya. They're 5 free, really good. I mean, look at this. It is just, this is a thick nail polish. Really great. I love the wands. I love the way these apply. I love Zoya nail polishes. So that's it, guys. Those are my favorite green products. Next in the series, red, orange, yellow, green, is blue. So yes, I got some blue lip products. I figured it out. I am there. I'm there for you guys. So I will link Jen's channel down below. And as always, in the comments, let me know what some of your favorite beauty products are and if you think I should try anything. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye, guys.